So I've got the tablet now up, magnetised to the Nakamura. The problem I'm not happy with is this lead that comes out here, so I need to do something with that. I need to get a longer one really, and really I want to have this location kind of on the door, right where we're like taking the bits and pieces. Doing a lot more video bits and pieces, and I've had these wireless Rode mics for years. I bought them second hand and they work brilliantly. The problem is I don't have a second transmitter, so if I'm doing two people, like I just did with Liam, we can't actually do that together normally. So what I did is I googled some bits and pieces and found a YouTube video. Fantastic, helpful thing, YouTube. Simple thing, a mic splitter or a headphone splitter, and then just literally just a wired mic, which means, I mean, this mic's got a really long lead on it, but it basically means I can stand behind the camera, ask my questions, and have the other person with a transmitter mic, and we can both hear each other perfectly over all the machines. It's turned on an energy saving feature, so the lathe's running right now, no light on, no screen on. It's only if you start tapping buttons that all of this all comes back to life, which I think is fantastic, because, you know, we don't need it on all the time, and especially when we're running overnight.
Done a label for the anodizing acid tank, temporary label for the acids paint stripper.
So we've got a problem where we've got all these holders, all of this in here, no real place for it. The box is not very organised, so I'm going to try and make a solution and make it all neat and visual and ready to pull out when using them for parts. What I've done, I've made a little design on Fusion. It's improved the slicer now, ready to be printed. I will show you when it's on the printer. It's on print now, so I'll show you it when it's done in 2 days.
I've jerry-rigged a water line going to a 12-volt solenoid valve into our, this is the high pressure coolant, and we've got a float sensor in there, and it's connected to the 12-volt system. Basically it goes back to our RO system and will automatically top up the water inside the machine, because, well, not only is it a pain, but we lose a lot of water, so this will keep it up to level, and the only thing we need to do is refract the coolant level every day and just top it up with the actual coolant.
So this morning in the meeting we were talking about getting some like mini skip bags for the swarf bin. So today when I was out and about I brought some of these garden mini skip bags, and we're going to use these for the people to then take the scrap away.
This isn't really an improvement, but just while we're waiting for all of the tray holders to be printed and designed, just made it a bit more neater inside. Makes it a bit more visually pleasing. Not really a big improvement, but yeah.